Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Steve with LRM Leasing. Today I want to talk about when you go to a shop for maintenance or even just repairs. So the first thing you would really want to do is get a list of what's wrong with your truck. What I mean is pretty much a honey-do list, but for your mechanic. So you write this down whenever you have an issue with the truck. Air leaks, fuel leaks, even maintenance like oil changes, you want to replace an air filter. Some of these things you may see the problem, doesn't mean that you're going to remember it within a week time. And also, as much as we like to have the truck to be broken down or have the maintenance done around your home, that's usually never the case. So having a list ready to go when you approach the shop is the best thing to do. Second thing, what you want to do is when you approach the shop, make sure that they know about your vehicle. Make sure that they're familiarized with it, especially when it comes to diagnosing like fuel pressure issue, electrical issue, unfortunately our friend, after treatment. So when you have those, make sure that the shop knows about your truck. Then the third thing is, when you tell the shop what you want done, make sure that you want them to give them no more than maybe an hour or 2 hours, I'm sorry, I can't count, 1 to 2 hours of diagnostic time. If it goes over, they need to call you to keep you informed. If you do not ask for that, they will keep going and that bill keeps racking up. And there goes all your money. And you don't want that to happen. So try to control the situation by 1, this is my problem, 2, I want to only authorize anywhere between 1 to 2 hours. All right. When it comes to after treatment and fueling, especially electrical, I'm telling you right now, expect that phone call for a follow-up that they're going to need more time. And again, this is where you control it. Add for another hour or 2. Just don't say, go ahead and diagnose it. Because what's going to happen is they're going to do exactly what you say and they're going to diagnose. And then you're going to poop your pants and find out that the bill is a lot higher than you thought. So the next thing you want is get a quote. Make sure that everything is on the bill as you want it and that they hit everything on your list. Because if something's missing, you don't want to come back later and say, oh, hey, I forgot to put that on the quote, even though that you asked for it to get done. So when you get the quote, look at it, make sure it lines up with what you have for your list and what's on the quote. If it has everything that you see, then good to go. When you see the bill, depending on, after treatment, electrical, it might be different. Keep in mind that sometimes you may know a mechanic back at home, send them over a copy, make sure everything jives. Because if it doesn't, sorry to say that there are some shops or mechanics that'll pull a fast one on you, just trying to get rid of a part, or they may not just even know. If you know a good friend, send the bill over. He's gonna ask you a whole bunch of questions. He may even want to talk to the technician at the shop that you're at. Allow that to happen. Make sure you know the mechanic and you trust them for this to happen. This will save you a lot of money. The other thing I would also suggest, you guys are over the road. You're gonna go state to state or you have a route. You might wanna start thinking about, hey, I wanna find a shop in these certain states. Because if you have a go-to plan shop, 1, you're eliminating the guessing of what shop to go to. 2, you would find out that the shop that you know about won't screw you over because you know them. And then 3, then you kind of have an idea what their expectations and they have your expectations of when getting in and out of the shop. So just keep that in mind. Start building up a list. When I break down in Georgia, I know where to go for here. If I break down in North Carolina, I know where to go there. And then the other thing is get familiarized with your truck. You'll be surprised that you guys will save so much money by learning just a few things, how to, replace a belt, looking where the fuses are at, how to repair a simple air leak. Because the sad thing is you go to a shop and let's just say the cab airbag is leaking and that's the only thing you got. They're gonna charge you the hour minimum. The shop did it in 2 minutes. And guess what? You just lost all that money where you could have done it yourself. So just keep that in mind, that know a little bit more about the equipment when going. All right guys, so everything that I just talked about, the little repairs, I actually have in my channel how to do some of those repairs. Not only that, we're making more for you guys to save money. for you guys to know about your truck, how to save money by doing the repair yourself. So don't forget to check that out. Then the last thing I gotta say about the shop, when the truck is done and they give you the finalized bill, don't pay it right away or sign it. Verify that all the repairs are done and then you are happy with it. Take it for a test drive or have them put someone with you to do a test drive and verify that the repairs are completed and you're happy with satisfaction. Because the first thing you want to hate is you take off on the lot and check engine light is still on or it's not doing what you said it was doing. Foremost, just check over the truck, verify the repairs, and then sometimes maybe have them say, hey, can you just leave the old parts on the back of my truck just so you can put eyes on it as well. It's always good to keep everybody honest. I want to wrap it up by saying if you guys like what you saw today, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, concerns, don't forget to leave a comment at the bottom. And then foremost, more content will be coming your way. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Ciao.